Come back to Unreal. Actually, I got a main menu level, but I got a big problem with that. Like when I open it, I got a menu and I press start. For the server, it will load my level, but in the client, it loads the default level, and it's server as well. Wow, that's crazy. Anyway, so I'm not using it. For our widget, player strategies. So for this example, the right down column, which is showing the is server or client, like right down here, which is return. The player has authority, which is yes. You return a server test. If it's false, you return a client test. And so this question mark just get the key of a number of key from the character and print it as test. So same as the fields and the health. So get back here. So we look at the particle. Particle should be alright. So how to achieve that to display the just now the widget, the player status to both server or client. So I use hug class because on game mode it only happen doing things on server, but also if I print the widget in game mode, it won't happen in client side. So I put them in a hug class so both of sides can see it. And for the actor, I make normal door which has a test to show the door is locked or not, and a frame and the door. So if the parent class, which this normal door, has open door function, so the test check is locked or not, like the test to show the door is locked or not, basically like that. And actually the key door, I just changed the name, like the door names called key door, then the logic is still the same in character class here. I just changed their name and check them, so not much difference. For the field store, I'd add the particle and the sound. Oh, and this one is the relevance field store because the field looks cool, so I decide to use field store as relevance to demonstrate. And the quite hard part is the remote door. So for remote door, I got remote blueprint and a remote door blueprint. So the remote door blueprint, it has a number which is number remote. So this number remote can get the remote door array. The let's say is the first the remote dot 0. So the remote 0 could get the like cooperate with exact one door, so and call their functions here. So and I got another auto remote door, which is when auto remote. So because the function in C++, I call all the doors open door. So basically all the functions I use in Blueprint is, oh no, up here. Open door implementation. Here I call the blueprint functions from C++, which they call open door. So basically I put all the events in open door, so I don't need to name them too much. So open door turn on, which is turn the what is that? Sorry. The remote's on. Turn on the door. And here I got the turn off the door, which has 5-second delay. And as the remote got up and down, you can see up and down, up and down is invisible. So I set the invisible upper the switch and down switch visible on and off. So I get the delay function, and it could automatically close the door by itself. The help pack key and fields, three of this, they just changed the name as a blueprint object static mesh. So basically the logic is in character the client function. Basically they just change the name, so yeah, we know what they call and we know what can we do with it. So basically that's all.